Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through how to create your very own Add Yours template on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive right in. To start, open up Instagram and create a story. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Story. Now, choose a background photo for your template. Don't worry too much about the photo, as it won't be used by others when they add to the template. Just pick something you like. Next, tap on the stickers button at the top of the screen and select Add Yours Templates. This option allows anyone to add to your template and see other stories added. Now it's time to get creative. Tap on the text button and start typing different texts or adding photos that you want to include in your template. After adding your desired text or photos, tap on the pin button at the top of the screen. This allows you to pin specific elements in your template. Simply tap on the item you want to pin, and it will be marked as pinned. Once you're satisfied with your template, tap on Next at the top right corner. Now you can post your template to your story. Simply tap on Your Story to share it with your followers. To see what your template looks like for others who want to use it, simply view your own story and tap on Add Yours. They can then take their own photo with the camera or choose one from their camera roll to add to the template. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and happy template making.